China is the promised land of technology as everything is manufactured out there. Even the biggest manufacturers like Apple manufactures their products in China-based factories. This has led to a big economic burst in the country, with many Chinese companies being established, taking advantage of the know-how they have acquired. One of these companies is Wieppo, a newly established company that is entering the smartphone market with Wieppo S6. The S6 is a budget dual-camera smartphone that comes with above-average specs for its price tag. In the specs department, it sports the MT6737 Quad-core SoC together with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It is a 5.5 HD display device that, in conjunction with the almost 3000 mAh 2970 mAh battery and the power-saving chipset, should give the device a pretty good battery life. In addition, there is a dual camera setup on the back, with the main sensor being Sony's 8MP IMX219 with f2.0 aperture and PDAF support. Also, it supports USB OTG as well as FM radio, two features that tend to disappear on today's smartphones. Lastly, it will come in 3 colors: basalt black, space silver, and moon white. The company says its price will be around $80 on Amazon.